Oh god, hello, welcome to another review, but this time, this is another Asylum of the Dalek figure pack, 2-pack. This time it's a 2-pack with the Dalek Strategist, the metallic blue version. And of course you've got the Doctor. The exclusive in the set is the metallic blue Dalek Strategist, which was I think it was a Toys R Us exclusive. I never had the chance to get one. Never had the chance to get one in the Asylum of the Daleks. Right. There's the Doctor there, Dalek. Side of the box, if you want to read. And the back of the box. There are the contents, if you're interested. A nice beautiful photo of the blue metallic Dalek. A photo of the Doctor. And a bit of a brief if you want to pause and read it. But this is from the basic episode of the Asylum of the Daleks. That brought us back some old memories of some Daleks. Without further ado, let's get this bad boy opened from the top. Don't want to ruin the box. Yes, there's the inside. There's the box. I can just put the box over there. Just shut the box for now. Open the box up. You can use it as a dilemma. There's the Dalek. Now I've got to try and get the Doctor out. The hardest part is now I've got to try and get the Doctor out. If I haven't tied everything, the Doctor should just be able to come out like that. Because I want to make room. Because I want to put the Doctor back inside the box and keep the Dalek. Well, first I won't spend too much time. On this figure. There's Matt Smith. The only difference between this is a standard character figure, but I will compare it with a. Let's move the Dalek out of the way. Let's compare this with a Ranger. For instance, a Lightning Collection figure. You can say one of them has more way articulation than the other. The vice sweeps only move, but it doesn't move up and down. So, there's your first comparison. You're going to jump to the Q bit. Right, he's got 1, 2, 3 bits of articulation, including the rotatable wrists. There's no articulators, and there is. God, this is stiff. Don't want to break it because it's stiff. Anyway, for some other figure comparisons, there is a Cyberman in the same scale. There's a Cyberman. Comparison, there is a Cyberman next to the Doctor. There is a Dalek, an Asylum Dalek. And there is the Ironside we looked at it previously. Now, let's move away from. I've got one more comparison to make. A Femur Lucina. Look how much they scale. They're near enough the same scale, almost. Yeah, they're near enough the same scale. If I can zoom in a bit. Yeah, they're near enough the same scale. Lucina and the Doctor. There is one final comparison I really want to do. This is just for fun. Here's Goldar. Anyway, let's move the Doctor. We'll now shall have a look at the Dalek, which is this one here, which is the metallic blue. Well, I've got the metallic red one on the shelf, but I don't want to go up on the shelf and get the red Dalek. So, same normal articulation like in all Daleks. The head can move, the eye stalk can go up and down, the weapons. And here's your first Dalek comparison. A sound effects bronze from the Asylum of the Dalek pack. There is a classic Supreme Dalek from Mission History of the Daleks Pack 3 figure. There he is with the Doctor. There he is with the Doctor. You see those new Daleks are taller. Since Lucina is already out, she's blue like the Dalek. A nice duo. A nice little duo. And here is Lucina. Oh God, here is Lucina. Who is Lucina from Fire Emblem Awakening? And one more comparison I'll make is my Mighty Morphin Lightning Collection White Ranger. We'll have to have a Power Ranger. I'll have to have a Ranger at some point in the video. Look at that. Look at the size difference between... and my foot's gone. Look at the size difference between Lucina, which is a female by the way, Dalek Strategist, and Mighty Morphin White Ranger. That is cool. That is cool. I've got to do one more comparison. I'm going to keep the rest of the guys here. We have a Cyberman trying to steal the show. Hey, stop stealing the show. There's a Cyberman. In comparison, he's way bigger than the Dalek. Dalek is way bigger. Of course, the Dalek's bigger. And also, I've noticed something else. The Cyberman is the same, near enough the same size as Lucina. Handy. And now let's bring the Doctor. No, let's not bring the Doctor back. Let's not. Right. I will put an in card for the Mighty Morphin White Ranger at some point in the video. Of course, I'll do others in between, such as the Bronze Dalek review I done. Oh, I've got to do one more comparison. Lucina can stay. She's great. We've got to compare it to the original. We've got to compare it to the original. We've got to compare it to the original Dalek Strategist. Which I can't be able to go on the shelf. I can't be bothered to get on the shelf and get my original figure, but this is the RC version. Here's the RC version. A big difference. Let me try and zoom in on those two Daleks. The difference. This one is more metallic. This one's more metallic than that one. Okay, now, good luck if you actually want this set. Good luck, you're paying bloody ridiculous for it. I can't remember how much I paid for it on eBay. It wasn't cheap. And it was a rare item. Anyway, yes. Excuse me, that's my iPad telling me how to game me. So anyway, if you like this metallic blue Dalek, I recommend it. Stay tuned for another video. Hopefully I can get an airbrush and paint one of my red metallic Daleks into the full red metallic Daleks. But here we are. There is the set. Even though Lucina isn't part of the set, I can move Lucina now out of the shot. Let me present the set. There it is. You get the Doctor and the Dalek as a 2-pack. If you want to check my other video out, see this Dalek in action. Unfortunately, on the recording, I took the batteries out because they were leaking. As you can tell. And you can watch the video with that. Well, anyway, I've got to go because I've got to upload this and I've got a few more videos to make. I'll see you lot in the next video.